Alright, you guys, we are headed in. Still. We probably got about another 2.5 more hours. Had a little bit of rain in the forecast, but it just kind of drizzled a little bit. Didn't get it.
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's Slappy Dog. Let me know what you like about this video or not like.
And hope we don't get it, huh? Well, this is just me on here by myself right now. We get ready to go up Saluda Mountain. And, man, I just want to thank these guys for, really, putting up with me and being a good sport. These road trips, when you take them with a group, you really have to sometimes bite your tongue. And that's everybody. But everybody don't bite their tongue. You know, sometimes people want to be the funny person and it comes off a little sideways. My thing is, shut up and ride. But, you know, the fellowshipping is a very important part of the trip and meeting new friends. Everybody that's on this trip are normally my friends that I've met, you know, throughout the years. Long time friends, which a lot of them are. And some of them I've met on the internet. The ones you meet on the internet, man, sometimes could be the best ones that you ever want to ride with. But sometimes they're not. You know, I kind of ask myself, why don't you have a group of people that you ride with, you know, or why you can't get along with certain folks? Well, it don't take long. A couple of hours of riding with somebody, you will find out real quick why nobody wants to ride with them. Criticizing, I always got something to say, and it always seems like it's the one that's got it, the leader. Lack of a better word, I hate to say that I'm somebody's leader, but I put these rides together, but it seems like I'm the one that they go after the most. Like they try to, I guess if you're going to take the crown, you got to go after the head. But I'm not the one to play with. You got one shot at it of riding with me. You take a road trip with me and you mess it up, that's it. Ain't no redos, ain't no mulligans. Ain't no give me another shot. No. Because it's in your blood. If you's an idiot, if you's a fool, asshole, whatever you want to call it, it's in your blood. And sometimes it takes a good road trip to bring that silly shit out. But once it's exposed, it's exposed. When somebody show you themselves, you gotta believe them that that's who they are. I'm a firm believer in that. And these road trips are for fun. I don't like getting upset on no road trip, and ain't gonna get upset for long on no road trip. Well, as my dad would say, when he wash his hands up with you, that's it. Kaput, kapang, no more. Go find somebody else to ride with. Now, you might have made some friends on this trip, and that's fine. Y'all can hook up and do your own thing. But riding with the slap dog, yeah, You won't be riding with me no more. Let's see if I can give some shout outs to some folks that was on this trip, and maybe I can put some pictures in the slides. Gotta give a shout out to Little Egypt. She has earned her patch. We are absolutely not a club. We're just a band of misfits that like to wear the same patch. And that patch means something. Anybody that's got that fist on their back are known to be riders. Little Egypt, you are Slappy Adventure certified. Triple D and his lovely wife. He's been on several trips with me before. Triple D certified. Lady Smooth. Lady Smooth is, you can't get much better than Lady Smooth. She is definitely Slappy Adventure certified. Miss Paparazzi, all these pictures that I'll be getting and putting them in these slideshow, Miss Paparazzi is the photographer. Bonafide. You got Stick, Pin, and Net. Oh, Stick and Net certified. Can't get much better than them two. Hopi Hippo, I've been knowing Hope. Golly, 30 years or more. Been riding bikes with that cat a lot of years. I'm going up Saluda Mountain right now. Oh, Hopi is certified Lone Wolf, a.k.a. Hope. K-Smooth, my man. Certified is my right-hand man, Woodrow. I'm glad you came out, bro. Woodrow did some camping on this trip. He is retired. He's living his life to the fullest. Proud of him. We got Ron and Chloe. This is their first long trip. I tell you what, if it wasn't, we love Chloe, but we let Ron come along because of Chloe. We let you tag along with us, Ron, because of your wife. No, Ron, you are all right. I'm proud that you came on out here and rode with us. I'm glad you got to see what you see. If you like it, maybe you do some more. But we gotta do a little bit of work on your thinking. We got to put a smile on your face sometimes. You walk around with that upside down frown on your face. Anytime you're on vacation, you gotta smile, man. The Thompsons. You can't get much better than the Thompsons. You ain't gonna get much better. I don't know how long he's been riding. I don't think it's very long, but boy, they got it. They have got it down packed. They've got the bug. I'm proud to say that they can ride with me anywhere. Good people, good Christian folks. Can't never have too many of that going on. Let me think some more here. Who else we got? Marcus Grant, MG. And that young brother, man, he's the youngin' of the group. He come all the way from Dayton, Ohio, and ran us down just to ride with us. Now, doggone, you can't get no better than that right there. That brother wants to ride. And you can ride with me anywhere, dog. Teaspoon came and waved a hand at us down in Daytona. Appreciate that, Teaspoon. Teddy and Shayla opened up their home to us down there in Daytona. We had a little bit of a hiccup. He let us leave a trailer down there. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all definitely, man. I hate y'all didn't get to make it, but I definitely appreciate all your hospitality. Fed us real good. You know, I didn't get a chance to jump in the damn pool, but I will next time, doggone. You can tell the kids Uncle Slappy coming to do a cannonball, do a water dog challenge in that pool. When you start naming people, you start to miss folks, and I don't want to miss nobody. Let me see. Let me think for a minute. Let me think, y'all. Let me think.
All right, I had to interject right here. I almost forgot about my best friend's son, Wild Bill Jr. He rode down from Orlando, caught a plane, caught up with us, You are bona fide Wild Bill Jr.
Who did I miss anybody? Man, we had about 15 people. Sky, appreciate you coming out. Man, oh man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Darwin and Rita, Skillet and Betty Boo. This is their longest trip. Skillet's been riding for quite a while. Betty Boo's got that thing, I think, last year. And this is both of their longest trip. They are certified. Can't get much better than them. I think that about wraps it up. Ron, Chloe, the Thompsons, Marcus Woodrow, my cousin Drive-By. Excuse me, Drive-By. He's had bikes for years, and he got him a slingshot. Got rid of the slingshot, had a real nice slingshot. Let me put that in there. And he bought him Vanderhaals. Me and him went up in the mountains on the Vanderhaal. He ended up having an accident in that Vanderhaal and tore it all to pieces. But he came on down, him and Pam came on down in the car and enjoyed themselves. And, you know, I'm glad that he did. We had a ball with him and Pam. Can't forget about Troubleshooter. I got a lot of respect for Troubleshooter. That dude is a lot of fun. Older cat. I look up to him like an uncle. Troubleshooter, you already know. Motorcycle RV. What the song? We don't care how you get there. Just get there if you can. We hated your wife didn't make it, but your homeboy you had with you, I cannot remember his name. He was fine. He is cool. Got to meet your nephew and his wife. Man, shoot, we had a good time down there. Troubleshooter is Slappy Adventure Bonafide. Well, we are easing our way towards the house. It acted like it wanted to rain, but didn't. I put all this tight ass damn rain gear on for nothing. Good God Almighty, I gotta get up out of this thing. I'd rather get wet. But just waving the hand at everybody. And we are coming up this old mountain. And please like, share, and subscribe. Wait for the next adventure, y'all. I'm out. I holla.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.